And the loose. Hello. Hi. Hello, hello. Hi. 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 Meow. 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 Hi. Hello. Meow. Liit-liit. Tiny, tiny. A tiny, tiny. Oh, tiny, tiny. Meow. Ow. 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 Hello. Ôi. Meow. 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 Hello. Meow. 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 Oh. Meow. Meow. Oke, dito ko. Ito na ako. Hey, halika na. Halika na. Halika na. Hello? Halika na, halika na. Hey. Halika na. Halika na. Halika na. Halika na. Halika na. Halika na. Ayun, dalawa, oh. Ayun sila, oh. Mama. 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 Ate na mama. 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 So Mama Dark cannot really lay down because I'm here. She didn't trust me. So, okay. Now she lay down. My vet told me that Mama Dark black kitten already bigger, so she may be no milk now. But I think she produced milk because of the kitten. I don't know. Well, I'm sure she still have milk, because if no milk, then the kitten will not live like this long. I mean, how many days now since I rescued them? Maybe it's like 1 week now, maybe. So the kitten are just lucky. I saw the calico mother that I'm thinking that that's their mother, but it's not a good idea, to give the kitten to the mother again, because maybe after a few days the kitten are there again in front of my house. So I think the best thing is catch the mother and take care, but not now, because we will never know it if she don't have any kitten somewhere, so cannot catch her now. Maybe I will wait some, like, let's say, like 1 month or 2 months, or if I see her like not looking, she is nursing kitten, then maybe I will catch her. But anyway, that calico also is wild, more wild than mama black, so not really, it's not easy to catch. But I will try. So they are peaceful now. Anyway, the kitten are all female. Before I said this white one is a male, but no, she's a female too. So Mama Dark's stomach is big, so she also gaining weight, and yeah, well, always a lot of food for her, especially now she is nursing kitten. So there, different kind food on the table, and it's because of Stanley, Bleach and Angelus need to eat, so I put different kind of food here. This is liver, chicken liver, and this is boiled fish, and this one is meat with water from the boiled chicken. So just so they have a lot of food to choose. The kitten also grow, not like the first day when I found them. They still walking wobbly, but now they can walk straight. But yeah, anyway, the blackest kitten didn't really like them. Before, the food is here, but when the black kittens eating, then the smaller, oh my god, mama, okay, mama. Mama Dark think that I will do something because I'm doing my hand just. Yeah, anyway, the food is there before, but when the black kitten eating, then the tiny babies go to the plate. The black kitten left the plate, so it's better to put there on table. I just finished wash their face. Because Mama Dark nursing them, but let's say not so much cleaning them. So I wash their face. Bakit? Opo, bakit po? So they did trick it, and they mother me. Not only the black mama. Well, sorry po. That's a good thing because they not wild. Oi, oi. Mm. Oi, oi, oi. They're following me. See, yeah. See, you see, not like before. They are wobbly. So the door is very pretty. My dog scratched it. Mm. Hey, no, no. So wrestling time. Is it wrestling time? Oh. Oh, naman. Oh. Okay. Ay. 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 Apa bakit po? Ah. Yeah, they're following me. Oh, bakit naman? Ah. Ano? Ah. Ah. Meow. 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 Mm. Ow. Hello. 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 Oh. Oh. The white one is the smallest. And this one. Fatty fatty. Fatty fatty. Oh, fatty fatty. Oh, fatty fatty. Oh. Fatty fatty. Oh. Mm. Hey. I know. Hello. Hello. They're still hungry. Maybe that's why crying. Anya. Anya. Apa? Nyau 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 nyau. 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 Hmm? Nyau. Ito na si mama. Ayun si mama. Oh, mama. Oh, mama. Oh, mama. Ayun, mama. She's a female. I thought male, but female. Mama. Get mama. Ayun, mama. Mama, mama, mama. Yeah, so I'm still hungry. Fighting. Oh, oh. Fighting. It's Angel. Okay, well, maybe I need to leave really. So Mama Dark can lay down. Let's see, Bleachy girl. He's sleeping.